While every marketing team scrambles to keep up with the dramatic, unpredictable world we live in, there is pressure to do more with less. Physical touchpoints need to be replaced with digital ones. Customers expect personalized experiences across all channels. Every marketing dollar spent needs to be measured against metrics. Staff sizes shrink, and agency support is scaled back. It's time for marketing organizations to rewrite the rules. Customer journeys will be remapped to prioritize digital. As customers are identified, they can be catered to with relevant content creation, targeted and measured. And marketing technology will support it all. It all starts with 3 immediate opportunity areas. Content. Cognizant uses automation solutions to provide production, publishing, localization, and management. Channels and campaigns. Cognizant optimizes channels with virtual events, targeted social media, and email campaigns, all aligned to your business metrics. MarTech optimization. Marketing technology is key, but not always used effectively. Cognizant identifies opportunities to reduce cost and improve functionality with no additional capital expenditure. So let's talk results. Cognizant created a global operational footprint for one of the world's largest tech companies. By creating a global growth platform, they monitored and optimized for brand safety, performance, and audiences. And with the help of Cognizant, they scaled the platform with AI and machine learning. Cognizant has the expertise to partner with marketing organizations to drive down cost, improve agility, and automate repeatable functions. Expectations have been raised. It's time to rise to the challenge and meet them. It's time to do more with less. It's time to rewrite the rules of marketing.